she talk say that day wey she go say na the backyard na una take do quickie because of tonto now say she dey the main building. She tell me everything.
Hello my correct people, how are we all doing today? So guys, today's video is 2 in 1 and today's video is rated PE, Pidgin English. Una know as e dey be because today English today video, sorry to say, it go sweet wella when we use our mother language. Okay, so in case you don't understand Pidgin English, please try and ask someone close to you to explain better to your understanding. Okay, so let's get started, and please make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Did you just hear that? From the beginning, okay? I beg, Pidgin English today sweet, Jerry. More forget all the phone. You understand what I'm trying to say? But anyways, let's get started. So concerning this Paul Okoye and Anita Okoye P-Square twin brother, right? So I don't do enough digging, you know. Now you guys, I like carrying you guys along. I know they can't give you a half gist. Go come be like say the story no balance. No, I don't do that. I always dey make sure say I come with the real cocoa, the gist, as in if I start topic with una, I dey like make sure say I finish up the topic so una go fit digest the cocoa. So for today's video be say me, I don go do some research, some digging and what have you. Okay, but please, before we dive into this video, please, if you've not subscribed, consider subscribing. Okay, it's not easy at all. You see this YouTube job, it's not easy. You just look and say easy, 10 minutes, 15 minutes video. My darling, if you take your time, sometimes it take us 3 to 4 hours to even do editing alone. Not be small work, I beg. So if you know you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless you as you do so. And to my old subscribers, I will never forget you guys. Okay, thank you very, very much. So as I was saying, so I don't do a lot of digging concerning Rude Boy Okoye. Okay, and we'll come find out say the guy na cheerful giver. As in Rude Boy, they share bola. You understand what they try talk. Now know it's bola na they share am, they hawk am, and very cheap. Anyone can serve, black or yellow, green, any color, provided na skirt na the woman wear. Rude Boy they enter, innocent. So according to the new way that they call am for social media, the guy na bola seller. Not he never dey sell himself, na bola giver, as in he dey give. Like the guy na really cheerful giver. Una know now, you get. So the guy is a cheerful giver, and as the thing come be like this, so as the guy dey share bola, so Anita the wife come dey complain say, this my property where you dey share, so I no dey comfortable with am. Why you dey share my bola anyhow? I no respect nothing. And anytime when Anita complain like that, they make small trouble. Before you go know, na Rude Boy go don dey tear her slap. Why she dey talk too much? Why she dey nag? You know, all those kind quarrel, those kind small arguments go come dey establish for the home. Una know it, they try talk. Now wetin oyibo dey call domestic violence. Bravo. So anytime Anita complain say, why you dey share my bola now? Why you dey disrespect me? Why everybody want chop the tea when I dey chop? No respect, nothing. Rude go say, how dare you speak? How dare you talk? And according to source, Anita don talk so many things. Anita say, as una see Paul Okoye, so mona forget say get money, say they live for mansion. No, he say the guy na real aka gum. Like una know it be aka gum now. Real akagon, the number one akagon. Say the guy no dey drop money, or someone are not reasoner like that. Say they dey for mansion. No. When I remember it, I first talk for one of my previous video concerning them. Was it not yesterday or so? When I told her, I say not all that glitter is gold. Now so the matter be so. And it has more no reason like that. To say she dey smile, they put makeup, they stay for mansion. Not me say the money shele. He say most times now own money she dey spend. Say the guy na real correct aka gum. Now wetin she talk, no be me talk am. So as I was saying now, so as a Rude Boy they share the bola na cheerful giver na, Anita come vex na she no fit take am anymore. She can't travel, come on for the country. She herself can't travel, go obodo oyibo, go dey chop another bola. Hey, matter don hot. She can't travel, go obodo oyibo, na go dey chop oyibo bola. Ne Paul Okoye come here and I say, for what? How dare you? You know those kind grammar na, how dare you? Something wey you dey do to person, you no know say go dare you. Now the person don dey do am to you now, you don dey speak grammar wey we no understand. So no be so rude boy come dey provoke. How dare you go give my property to another man? How dare you? How dare you? English begin dey surface from different area, east, west, north, south. You know as the gist dey go. Na Anita come say to the time wey you dey share your gbola na me dey warn you, you no dey hear na. Now I don dey share my own thing na, e don dey pepper you for body. So wetin this one come mean be say wetin you no fit take, wetin you no fit take, wetin you no fit chop, why you dey give am to somebody to chop? Na so this life be. Although I no support wetin Anita do because you are a married woman, tradition need to be respected. Apart from tradition, you are a married woman, you need to respect your womanhood. Abi no be so dey talk, you need to respect that name you carry, Mrs. If you know say you want to dey chop gbola as your husband dey chop wetin dey call am you sef you go divorce, go through the normal process, cut off the marriage. You know say okay, you are free. By then you come dey share your kpekus, nobody go come dey quarrel you or ask you questions. But no be say you still dey for marriage, you still dey bear Mrs. Okoye, you come dey share person kpekus. E no make sense na. The man go paranoid, the man go provoke. Una that side dey try talk so because wetin the woman wan try do na do me I do you, man no dey vex. Una remember that song na wey the husband and the brother sing, do me I do you, man no go vex, step on the dance floor, man no go vex. So na wetin the lady na wan try do the husband, say you do me I do you, nobody go vex, na 50-50. So na the gist, na the koko na be that. And one thing wey we come see the year again be say, una know say I first talk am for that my video say now wey the thing don happen like this, na the wife na dey sue the man because normally they must share property, you know, all those things must involve, settlement must involve. Una the side try dey talk. So wetin come dey say the woman and she dey bill Paul Okoye 7.8 million naira monthly for children upkeep. Did you guys hear that figure? Let me repeat it. 7.8 million naira monthly for the children upkeep. For only the children upkeep, me, I don't know how much Paul Okoye dey receive every month. I no fit talk. No say there be big men and people with the money. So we don't really know. For the woman to bill her husband that kind of money, that means she know the income of her husband. So wetin me go talk be say make the man pay. Because not be we send the man message make he go dey share gbola. If you know say he never ready to chop one food, if you not just marry, all these men say even na dey chop around. Una no know say this thing dey affect women psychologically. And otherwise emotionally, whichever nally you can get, it affect us. People should stop it, okay? The woman sef, if pity for am, 7.8 billion too small. She for just make a round figure 10 million. We go know say na more, no should be 7.8. She for make am 10. Me una go yo dey chook. Una no say dey pain person. Now that don't chook you na. They don't cheer your kpekus wey you dey chop na, don't dey pepper you for body. So in a nutshell, wetin dey happen be say these two people, the thing no be rumor, they don't really separate. Now for them to go through the normal process, you know, the English way, to go court, divorce the thing, sign paper, you sign my paper, I sign my paper, everybody go their way, never remain now. Because as far as it is now, Anita no even dey Paul Okoye house again. E be like say the rumor they tell us now say she dey obodo oyibo where she dey shop her own gbola. She dey shop her own gbola gently. You understand what I dey try talk? So the thing now be say Paul Okoye dey vex say wife dey share ikpekus dey waka, while the woman sef dey vex say her husband dey share gbola dey waka. So do me I do you, na so the case come be. So na that one as ma come yarn una for the P-Square brother of Paul Okoye and the wife. But more than not worry, the gist dey hot. As more gist they come, I'll consider carry give una self, una understand. And one more thing, wait, I will forget to tell una. They say the Paul Okoye, they sleep with anything, not just anything. No, they say even their housemaid, the guy they knock their housemaid. Mona say the thing bad because initially me be say na Peter Okoye na be the spread one, like Paul Okoye when they do this sime like you don't know why, no know too. I think say the guy na gentle guy, you know. But anyways, they say you can never judge a book by its cover, understand? So the kind gist wey hit us now be say the guy he dey knack a house girl, meaning even the house girl don dey chop madam gbola. That one na real see finish. That is the height of disrespect, understand? But anyways, that's it with P-Square and Anita. That's it about them. So let's start with the other gist wey come dey now. The other gist, the second gist now na between Tonto Dike and her new husband Prince Okpokrigbo, wetin they call am. I no fit call that name. I no go bite my tongue. Una say I say even pidgin English, I dey struggle to speak pidgin English. E no easy. Abeg, una give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Abeg, thank you very much. So Tonto husband na the same matter we dey hear. Dem say the man sef dey share gbola. There's almost all the actress when dey Nigeria industry, they say they don chop the man gbola. Even no worry, I go drop one conversation for una when the man dey talk to somebody how e dey work. I even get many conversation when I no put here. I lose data of it when the man even dey call names. He even call Uko Venza. Who be Uko Venza that year? Is it not that what's her name? That girl that came out and cried that she's the Ali, she comot food for her mouth. So that her name that time sef, Crystal Okoye, something like that. No be she be Kuvensa, if I not forget. So I hear conversation like that too. The man say don't chop that one. The man just dey talk anyhow for phone. Whether I no know say they record that one, whether the thing na set up, I no even know. Una know where I go play the video, the voice recording for una. So now una go know say I know they lie. Una get. So my first gist una first, so now if you understand the cocoa when I play the voice record they give una, show na they feel me. So they said the guy self na gbola sharer. They give gbola to anybody. There's almost all the actress don't chop your gbola. So no be secret again. And Tonto now, I pitied for that my sister. She dey find the best where she go just settle, to be called Mrs. And she just dey meet the wrongest of the men. I no just know what to say. Abeg, we need to dey pray for Tonto as well. We know say no be husband, no be do or die, but she really need that, because if she no need am, I'm not sure say she go attempt to go for second marriage. So she really need it. But anyways, what do I know? God go definitely give her the best. But let's just assume say this voice record when I won't play for now, so let's assume say no be the man. Let's assume say now somebody they frame the man up or something like that. You understand? Because if now true say now this man, because so many conversations like I told you, say I lose data of them, many conversations of the same voice, because some people don't even confirm and say na the man. But if na the man, trust me, the man like the man big time go carry your wife come public on the yanakbata. Even if una kill una self for house, anything una do for house, it go remain secret. It remains indoor. That's why they call her indoor problem. Some say you go come outside, call the share and give your concubines and what have you, And even the girl when they talk to, that one self they had more salt to the injury. Anyway, she self they chop the bowler, so why she no go still talk trash? She don't understand. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I will leave you guys to listen to the voice recording, okay? And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit on the red subscribe button already if you haven't, and till I see you again in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, we should just come, we fought, but the pussy was so sweet.
Her pussy was so sweet. You too like Batsy.
I was still supposed to repeat that match, but since then, I've been very busy, I never see her.
She talk say that day where she go, say na the backyard na una take do quickie because of Tonto now. Say she did the main building. She tell me everything. I can't dey like chai. It will say Tonto no dey now. She for enter main house. Fuck you way.
You know, see me and Tonto see without a quarrel now.
Why?
Again, no one stop that smoking. Smoking always, drinking, and see me and they smoke, I know they drink. All those things they quickly irritate me.
Now wetin people be they talk that time when she break up with Chochi, you understand, her ex-husband. People they talk say she dey smoke, they do anyhow. Say if she smoke, they enter her head.
I'm telling you.
Jesus, make she no go break your head one day. I beg you, we go arrest her.
Now do my fear.
We go find her. No, make she our priest where everybody they manage. He reach her thought she won't misbehave. We go find her.
You said they drive people come up from my house. Leave my husband's house. No, I said no. I said please don't do that. Stop it. Stop it.
Make she no do.
I said these people were in my life before you came, so don't do that.
Who she can't be? Who? I bet make she get out. She dey find where she won't hang leg, do finish, cause see person wey even accept her. She won't pursue everybody come on. Make she no do. Our